Wow. Wow. Do you see how beautiful this canal is? What are we drinking here?
Good Canadian Quebec beer.
Ah. And you are?
Nat.
Nat? Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Matt's girlfriend.
No, it's
And
not.
that's Matt's girlfriend?
No.
We used to have bonfires right out here in
Yeah.
the front. We'd have all the neighborhood.
Yeah.
Really? You want to tell your name?
Arwa.
Arwa. And you are?
I'm Alishba.
Alishba. And you are? Aaron. And here's my sister.
Hi everybody.
Let's go inside my place and show you a little bit of what the house looks like where I live with my family. Wow, wow. Do you see how beautiful this canal is and the whole area? That's where I live here in Canada. So in this video, I wanted to show you this area where I live. So starting with, I live in southern Ontario and I live in the city called Welland. And where I live is a very suburban area. And it's a residential area that was built outside of the city. And it was built by the canal, and there are beautiful homes here. So I just wanted to take you guys on a tour of the street and also show you my place. And life is very quiet here in this town. It's nothing like what you guys have experienced with me in Mexico. It's very different life here in Canada. I just wanted to start off the Canadian series by showing my town, where I live. So let's get started. Let's start with this lot of grass by the canal. A lot of space, and we have a lot of neighbors who have kayaks. They take their kayaks, paddleboard in the water. They do a lot of activities like that, a lot of water sports. And there's a lot of people that have like their motorcycles. They always have their motorcycles here, so there's always something going on, especially during the summer. All right, so we're on the road. So we need to cross the road. We have to go on the other side. And so one of the things about the homes here in this area, people have a lot of land in front of their house. So this is like the front yard. Then they also have a backyard. And same thing with a lot of homes here. And you can see the layout of the homes are very different than what I have shown you guys in Mexico. So yeah, I see my neighbors there. Maybe we can go say hi to my neighbors. Here's my neighbor, Matthew.
How you doing?
Good, brother. How are you?
Good, good.
What are we drinking here?
Good Canadian Quebec
Good
beer.
Canadian Quebec beer.
Ah, true Canadian Quebec beer. There it is. Yes. And you are?
Nat.
Nat? Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Matt's
Yeah.
girlfriend.
No, it's
And
not.
that's Matt's girlfriend?
No.
I have seen his girlfriend.
This is my daughter Madison.
Hi, Madison.
Hi.
Hi, how are you? And you are?
And I'm Bob.
Bob, nice
Yeah,
to meet you,
Matt's
Bob.
friend.
Nice, nice.
I used to
Do you live
live
here?
I used to live right there. Right beside you.
You listen?
Yeah.
Really?
That was my house. They
Wow.
sold the house to Mike.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
How long ago was that?
Mm.
6 years ago?
Just before you moved in, pretty much.
Really?
Yeah, you bought it about a year before you moved in.
Wow.
Or not
Interesting.
even. 6
I was
months
almost,
This is
yeah, it's got
trouble
almost
here.
be. Yeah,
I love this guy.
before.
He's amazing.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Good times.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So what's your favorite part about living here in
The small town life.
small town life, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Good friends.
Freedom, good
Yeah.
friends, everybody knows everybody.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah,
Yeah.
you do.
I 100% agree. Like I actually know a lot of people here and I love it.
Yeah, it's great.
Yeah.
You come back after being away and it's like you never left, right?
Yeah, exactly. Yeah, I feel like home, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's what I feel about being here.
No, it's good.
Yeah. So I thought it was such a great opportunity for me to like share the culture because I was literally making videos about Mexico, showing what life looked like there.
Oh, yeah.
So I want to do the same thing here.
Yeah, for sure.
Yeah.
No, this is
So-
a great community to live in. So
Yeah, absolutely.
Hi, how are
Yeah.
you?
Hi, I'm good.
Oh, look, my dad is also here.
Hi, how are you?
Hi. Nice meeting you.
Hi.
I've met you before, but hi, Marshall.
met you.
How you doing?
Hi. I'm good.
They used to live right there.
Yep.
Yeah, they used to live here.
Just before you.
Yeah.
Just
Before.
So they sold it to
Before
Mike.
your home there.
Yeah.
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 Wow, nice.
We moved
Yeah.
up because of Matt.
Yeah.
No.
He was causing a lot of trouble, eh?
We used to have bonfires right over here in
Yeah.
the front, and we'd have all the neighborhood.
Yeah.
Really?
We burned that wood in the night.
Yeah.
We need to start doing that again.
We'd have the street, we'd have the whole neighborhood out here. Well,
Oh.
half the street here, and
Yeah.
Wow. It was very nice chatting with you.
yeah, it was
Yeah,
good.
sure.
Yeah. All right.
Take care.
Yeah, you too. So
Have a good
very
night.
nice meeting you guys.
Take care, Marshall. Have a good night.
Have a good night.
Have a good
Take
one.
care.
See you later.
See ya.
Nice meeting you. Nice meeting you. See ya.
You're,
You see, that's the beautiful thing about living in a small town. You have really awesome neighbors. You can hang out with them. And look at this little guy. He just stole my cycle. Hey, bring back my cycle. Where are you taking my cycle? Here you go. Meet this guy. That's my okay. Let me introduce all you guys. Okay, come here.
Ooh, I'm gonna fall. I'm gonna fall.
Look at this.
Hi.
Are you okay now? She didn't fall. So this is my little niece. Can you believe it?
No.
I have a niece.
Yeah, you look so young. You don't
Right?
look like you have a niece.
Exactly, I have a niece.
Yeah.
And these are her friends, but they're practically my. This is my niece as well, and my nephew as well. So you wanna tell your name?
Arwa.
Arwa. And you are
I'm Alishba.
Alishba. And you are
Aaron.
Aaron. There we go. And he just stole my cycle. Yeah, very bad.
Yeah, this is mine now.
So you guys are going for a ride?
Yeah.
Oh, nice. Where are you guys gonna go?
Oh, little park.
You want that?
Yeah?
You want
Are
that?
you sure you want to do this?
Okay, come. Go to.
Okay.
Do you see? Hey, tell him to fix that.
Aaron, you stand.
The stand. And here's my sister.
Hi everybody, how are you? And I'm Tosif's sister.
And my sister's name is Ruhi.
Yes.
Yeah.
Bye bye.
By the way, here's my car. This is what I drive here in Canada. And this is what a typical garage looks like here in this area. We have a lot of things we need to clean up. But so far, this is what it looks like. And I don't think I focused on our front yard, but there's our front yard right over here. And it's very clean. My dad is the one who maintains everything most of the time, so he's doing a great job maintaining it. So let's go inside my place and show you a little bit of what the house looks like where I live with my family. And here we are. It's the door, and we're inside. Look at this. This is our living area. A really high ceiling. And here's the kitchen. And let me show you this area over here. It's like a family area where we watch like TV, sit and chat, and take you to the backyard. And this is our backyard. Really nice and quiet here. Yeah, also we have a fire pit over there where sometimes we hang out. You know, sometimes like we have fire, we sit around, and like we play music or we do barbecue, and it's really nice. You know, the summer is really beautiful here in Canada, and that's why I want to experience the whole summer here and document it and show you guys what life looks like here in Canada during the summer. So I'm really excited to bring all that into life, and I just wanted to give myself a kickstart by showing you my neighborhood, what this area looks like. And if you guys have any question, if you guys are curious about Canada, about living in a small community like this, let me know. I want to create more videos. Either way, I have planned so much content that I want to create. So subscribe and like, because when you subscribe and like, maybe my channel will get monetized and I will have a little money from YouTube. And if I have money, I can invest more onto my channel and create even better content. So, all right. That's all for this video. Thank you all for watching. I will see you in the next video. God's energy. By the way, I will do a proper home tour where I will introduce you guys to my family. You know, there's my brother, my other siblings that you need to meet. So it's very exciting. All right, I'm gonna end this video right over here. Boom, boom, boom.